We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive and expert overview of the 50th, 60th, 70th, 80th vintage baseball cap for men, a popular birthday gift option for dads, uncles, and granddads. This cap is designed as a nostalgic yet practical accessory that celebrates milestone birthdays with a vintage flair. It is available from the HeyCap store and has quickly gained attention for its quality, comfort, and thoughtful design. Users consistently praise the cap for its well-crafted construction. Made from comfortable cotton, it strikes a balance between softness and durability. The fabric is breathable, making it suitable for extended wear in various weather conditions. Unlike many stiff baseball caps, this one offers a relaxed fit without compromising on structure, which enhances comfort for daily use. The vintage style is achieved through a washed cotton look that gives the cap a gently worn, classic appearance, appealing to those who appreciate retro aesthetics. One of the standout features mentioned by users is the adjustable strap. The cap includes a cotton strap with a metal buckle closure that allows for a wide range of head sizes. This adjustability ensures that even those with larger heads can find a comfortable fit without the cap feeling too tight or loose. Several reviewers noted that the adjustment mechanism is easy to use and holds securely, which is essential for maintaining comfort throughout the day. The strap's design also complements the vintage look, avoiding bulky or modern plastic fasteners that would detract from the overall style. The printing quality on the cap is another point of approval. The numbers representing milestone birthdays, 50th, 60th, 70th, and 80th are clearly printed with good detail and durability. The print does not fade easily, even with regular use, which is important for a product intended as a keepsake or gift. This attention to detail enhances the cap's appeal as a meaningful present that recipients can wear proudly. From a usability perspective, this cap is versatile. It serves not only as a birthday gift, but also as a casual accessory for outdoor activities, social gatherings, or everyday wear. The pre-curved visor provides effective sun protection while maintaining the cap's vintage charm. The 6-panel construction with embroidered eyelets adds breathability and a classic baseball cap silhouette. These features combine to make the cap both functional and stylish. Performance-wise, the cap holds up well under typical conditions. Users report that it maintains its shape after multiple wears and washes, which speaks to the quality of the materials and manufacturing. The cotton fabric is lightweight yet durable, resisting wear and tear from frequent use. This durability makes it a practical choice for those who want a gift that lasts beyond the birthday celebration. On the downside, while the cap fits a broad range of head sizes, some users with very large or very small heads might find the fit less than perfect. However, the majority find the adjustable strap sufficient to accommodate their needs comfortably. Additionally, the cap's vintage washed look may not appeal to those seeking a more modern or sleek design, but this is a matter of personal style preference rather than a flaw. Overall, the 50th, 60th, 70th, 80th vintage baseball cap for men is highly recommended for anyone looking for a thoughtful, stylish, and comfortable birthday gift. It combines classic design elements with practical features like adjustability and breathable cotton fabric. The positive feedback from users highlights its quality construction, comfortable fit, and appealing vintage aesthetic. If you own this cap, please consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make an informed choice. The product link is in the description to support the channel and make it easy for you to find this excellent gift option.